Hey guys, it's Mark from Gunpla Network, and I'm actually here today with an unboxing. I mean, usually we don't do these, but fantastic people at Banzai Hobby, one of our sponsors, have sent me a package, and it's actually come via a new shipping method. It's called AIR, small packet. It's now available there on the website. So apparently recently Japan Post had disabled SAL, small packet options, from the following countries: France, Spain, Netherlands, Ukraine, Algeria, and Gibraltar. So in response to that, they've introduced a new shipping method called AIR, small packet. And this service is pretty much available around the world to every country at the moment. Air small packet is reasonably priced compared to EMS, but faster than SAL. Now, I've had a package from them in 3 to 5 days, business days for EMS, and it's pretty expensive. This one, cheaper, and came in with including weekends, just under 2 weeks. So that's pretty damn fast from Japan to where I am in Australia. Air small packet has strict size and weight restrictions, so it's not eligible for all products. I doubt you'd get a PG kit through there. I'll show you what this contains inside. It doesn't list the weight on it, and the total value is 1,980 yen. In general, it can reach you within a week. However, if your postal service is not efficient in your country, much like mine, nothing against Australia Post, but one of my other parcels has just gone to the wrong 2 hours the wrong way from me. Air small packet operates much like letter post, so does not come with a tracking number or insurance coverage. As such, please choose this at your own risk, as we are unable to compensate you for loss or damage. So, like most shipping methods, it'll either have pros and cons. I mean, the pros are it's reasonably fast, it's cheap, and it's available everywhere. Cons are there are weight and size restrictions, and it can be affected by your internal country post, so take that into consideration without blaming Banzai. And it operates like letter post, so there's no tracking on this. But I'm pretty impressed, considering this was my first delivery. So thumbs up, Banzai. Thank you for that. Okay, now let's see what they have sent us to review. Pretty excited. This is my first unboxing online. I haven't done one of these yet. Oops, don't go too far with the knife. Whoa, this thing is just almost too big for my my photo booth, which is a small one. I actually have another one I've got to set up and trial. Once I get the lights for it, it's a much bigger black background one, which should look a fair bit sexier on the camera. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, I see an action base. Yes. Oh, I see a Striker Jinx. And I see Gundam Markers. Yes. Okay, let me just get this out of your way. Woo! This is a good box. Wow. Okay. So, upcoming reviews. You will see one soon for the new Action Base, the clear version of the Action Base 4. Now, this one, it says down here you can get RE100, RG, HG, MG. It's good for either scale. It has the center column support. It has 3 adjoined bases there by the look of it, so it should be fairly sturdy. It kind of looks like you could actually have a couple of these on the one base, and they've posed the unicorn with Gramps down there. I'm not sure what dividing the base arm 2 models can be displayed. That sounds interesting and cool. So you got all you need in here to display 2 types of models. It comes with the standard mounts that you would have had, but if you don't have the kits with the underneath posability option, it now comes with a claw that I think the Kotobukiya base had. So this would be interesting. I look forward to reviewing that one. Gundam Markers. I have never used these before, guys, so I might do the review of the Gundam Markers a bit like a tutorial on how to use them. And what I'm actually going to do, it comes, so in here you get a grey, a white, a yellow, red, blue, and that's a GM21. Is that the one I've got over here? 20. This looks like, I don't know, it's a grey, it's not a panel line marker. Well, I don't think it is. Yeah, this looks cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use these to paint this kit as a review and a test, and then we might give those away later. So next upcoming HG review in the next week or so, I'll put out this. It's the high grade build fighters, which this actually will be my second or third HGBF kit, second I think. The Striker Jinx from the 5th episode of Battlelog, and that was the one where they sprung out the PGX here and versus this kit. And it also had the Cheridum Saga Gundam. So that was cool. I also love this massive weapon here on the front. This is awesome. So we'll do an unboxing of this. I won't go too much further into it, but thank you very much to Banzai for allowing us to test their shipping method. It looks pretty awesome. And we'll come back to you with the unboxings and reviews of these products soon. All right, guys, thanks.